Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm showing you how to make the best chicken Parmesan with garlic bread and spaghetti. Alright guys, let me go ahead and show you this recipe right here. We got this right here. This stuff is off the chain right here. You gotta get this. I'm telling you, you don't need nothing with it, but I'm going to put something with it because I don't want my chicken Parmesan to be off the chain. You're going to need some all-purpose flour. You're going to need about 3 eggs. This is a cup of all-purpose flour, and this is 3 eggs, and this is like a cup of breadcrumbs right here, plain breadcrumbs. Alright, then I'm going to use some of this sharp provolone cheese right here. This stuff is off the chain, guys. Got to get some of that. This is my Parmesan cheese right here. I got some thin spaghetti right here. I'm not going to use the whole box, of course. I have like 6 chicken breasts that I already sliced and pounded down. Okay. I got some. This is parsley. You're gonna need some olive oil. This is why it's gonna be the best. Of course, you already know. I got some red wine right here. Have some fresh basil. I got some bread, French bread right here, Italian bread that we're gonna make some garlic bread from. All right, I got some black pepper right here, fam. Some garlic salt. This is some granulated onion. Some smoked paprika, and that's right, slap your mama. And I have some mozzarella cheese right here. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start clearing up this stuff and go ahead and season up this chicken and get this stuff going. See you guys in a minute. All right, fam, before we get started on seasoning our meat, we need to go ahead and get this going real quick. I got some Parmesan right here. You shred some of that up in there. Alright, that's that. We're going to come in here with some smoked paprika. Like a half a teaspoon of that. Slap your mama. Another teaspoon. Granulated onion. Teaspoon. This large salt. Garlic salt. Do like a tablespoon of that. Black pepper. A teaspoon of that. Alright. Alright, we're just going to mix this up, guys. Up in here. Alright, we got that going. So we're going to come in here with this right here. I like to put a little seasoning in this. I don't know why my fork dropped up in there. Like a half teaspoon. Smoked paprika, half a teaspoon. Onion powder and garlic. Alright, so we're going to mix that up in here. Now you could put a little hot sauce in there. Let's go ahead and throw a little hot sauce in there, fam. Just a little bit, not a lot. About 5-6 dabs. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our chicken breast. I like to do the back side first. Alright, we're going to come in here with a little slap your mama. Lightly sprinkle. And remember, we got seasoning all over that way. And you really don't have to use this. You can just use salt and pepper, fam. This is how I'm doing mine. Okay? We're going to come in with some of the granulated onion. Just a little bit. Or much as you want on yours. And some of this garlic salt. I ain't putting no smoked paprika on it because I don't want the smoked paprika to overwhelm my chicken. A little black pepper. Okay? Do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to do that and I'll be back. See you guys in a minute. Alright, fam. I'm going to go ahead and start on this one. Put in the flour first. Make sure flour all the way around it and on it. And we're going to come in here in this egg batter. Make sure it's well coated. Then we're going to come in here in these breadcrumbs. Let it drain a little bit. like so. And we lay it up in here. Make sure you have some on the side. You can put it on the top like so. I like to smash down on mine a little bit. I'm showing you this right here. And we're going to put on this plate. Got parchment paper on it. Just like so. That's all we're going to do. Alright? Alright, let me go ahead and continue doing the rest. I know that's kind of tedious a little bit for you guys. And for anyone that's doing it. So go ahead and complete the rest of them up. And I'll take you to the skillet in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Just going to put a little vegetable oil in here. Just enough to coat the pan. And I'll put a little olive oil in there for some flavor. Alright. I will do the front side first. As you can tell, it's not ready. I thought it was ready, but we ain't gonna worry about it. It goes from there. So make sure your meat is at room temperature. I can't move that around. I can't move stuff around, man, or you'll mess it up. So yeah, we're just gonna let that cook for about 3 minutes on each side, and then take it out. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, we're gonna just turn these over. The only spatula I can find. Okay fam, I'm done with the chicken. That's the chicken right there. Alright, we're just letting it rest. We're going to start working on this sauce. Now, if you want to put onions and all that stuff in yours, you're welcome to do so. But I don't think I need none of that. I probably put a little garlic paste in it. And some of this wine. I'm going to put some of that wine in there now. Just a little bit, not a lot. Just like that. Put a little of this garlic paste in here. Running out of that. That's enough. Take one of these basils. Probably about 2 of them. Chop it up and throw that in there. That smells good. A little basil. Alright. And throw your little pinch of sugar or something in it. That's it. We're just going to cook these guys for a little bit. And I'll show you what we'll be doing next. Chicken Parmesan. The best chicken Parmesan. I ain't going to even lie to you. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start working on the spaghetti. The thin spaghetti. That tastes super good. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, we're going to start working on this spaghetti. It don't take that much. Just put a little salt in here. Kosher salt, that's what I'm using. Put a little olive oil on there. That's where the noodles won't stick, okay? I'm going to take our spaghetti. Normally I break mine in half, but I ain't going to do it this time. Let's go like this. Just that simple. I'm putting about a pound in there. We're just going to cook this spaghetti about 15 minutes. Just wait till it loosen up and then I'll twist it around. That's all you're doing really. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm back. Here's the sauce right here. As you can see, it's thick. Okay, we're just going to spoon some of that on there. Don't use all your sauce now, because you gotta use it for your spaghetti too as well. Alright. I'm gonna put some of this mozzarella on here. And if you don't want to do this with the shredded one, you can use the sliced one. But when you shred up your own cheese, it tastes just much better. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Chicken Parmesan, the best chicken Parmesan. No doubt about it. At least it's the best to me, huh? Alright, when you did that, you're going to come in here with some of this provolone. Don't do too much of it because this stuff is strong. Okay? Get this piece over here. And if you can smell this, oh my goodness gracious, you'll be amazed. Alright, then we'll come with some provolone. I mean, not provolone, but this. Come with this Parmesan. I'm going to definitely tell you the truth. This one is going to probably be a little bit better than the first one I did. Because I ain't used these type of cheese before on there. Alright. Alright, we're going to put this in the oven, guys. About 15 minutes till this cheese and stuff melt. And I'll show you what we'll be doing then. Alright. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and take some of the spaghetti that's done, put it in this sauce. Don't worry about if you get a little water in it. Go ahead. Alright, when the meat get done, but actually I got to make the garlic bread, don't I? We're just going to let this sit here and simmer a little bit. But I'm going to just go ahead and turn this off actually, because I don't want my spaghetti too soft. Alright. Let that rest. That tastes super good. See you guys in a minute. Alright, fam, this is all I'm doing. I didn't think I need to show you that, but hey, sometimes people need to see it. So I'm just spreading the butter on there like so. Alright. So yep, this is it. I'm gonna come in here with some of this garlic salt, this Lori garlic salt. Just a little bit goes a long way. Don't do it too much because you don't want to overpower your chicken. So just do a little bit. And I'll come in here with some of this Parmesan Romano. That's what I normally use on mine sometimes. Or that truffle black garlic. Yeah, you're supposed to taste the chicken Parmesan, not this. You know what I'm saying? And I just take a little parsley. You can use fresh or regular, like dry. That's it. Ain't nothing to it. Alright, fam. That should be it. Alright. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam. I'm finally done with this chicken Parmesan. The best chicken Parmesan. Okay? Let me show you that up close. And garlic bread. Okay, so that's how that looks, fam. And if you like this recipe, please give me a like and a share, and please share this out. And don't forget that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love.